In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get an animated avatar on CS2, so be sure to watch the video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. An animated avatar is one that moves just like this. Now, what you're going to need to do is to open up Steam, and you're going to need to go to your store. Now, I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. You're going to click on Points Shop right at the top, and you're going to scroll all the way down until you see animated avatars and frames. Now, if I were to click see all, I could see all of the options that are available to me. But as you can see, all of the animated avatars do cost money. So this is what you are going to need to do in order to get an animated avatar. So for example, if I wanted to purchase an animated avatar frame or just an animated avatar in general, I would purchase it, I would equip it, and then I would view my profile. Now, as you can see, now I have this animated avatar and I will be able to see this in CS2. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.